So, you join us at Claymills engine house. Not in steam today, but having a good look round. So let's have a close look at these beam engines. So what you're seeing here is two pumping beam engines at Claymills engine house near Burton-upon-Trent. So you got D engine there, C engine there, and A and B are over that way in the next engine house. Let's have a look around. So, looking down there, you've got flywheel, connecting rod, and pump rod behind. Then, same on the other side. You got the impressive overhead crane up there. So these are the beams. So here we've got the parallel motion. So that transfers the up and down motion of the beam to the up and down motion of the connecting the piston rods. So there we see the parallel motion. And there's the top of the high pressure on the left and low pressure on the right cylinders. This is C. And there we are on the other side. So these are Wolf compound beam engines, these. So a bit of information there. So this over here is particularly interesting. So this is a plan of the site as it is now. Filter beds over there. And there is the pumping station. So we are currently in this one here, and that's A and B over there with boiler house in the middle and E engine house there. So this is the beam floor. There's the overhead crane. Nice shot of it. So let's go down to the next floor. So So for anybody that watches my channel quite often, will see that I come down quite a bit to view these engines running. So here's the next floor. So we've got the top of the piston, the cylinders, So you've got low pressure and high pressure. So with these, you've got the lamp pack in there, and these are the top of the valves. So that and that are pressure relief valves. And then you've got piston rod, and rod there as well. That is your air pump. So you see these valves are rocking valves with weights on top. There, there and there. And your valves are contained within there. So, Victorian engineers being as clever as they were, the main steam valve for starting the engine is there. There's another handle here, and there is another one up top as well. So you can stop the engine at any position. A general view of the engine house. There is the railway line just behind us. So this is looking at C engine. So the two rods there and the main pump rod, which we'll go and have a look at in a minute. See the bottom of the polo linkage and the connecting rod there, which you can just see come into view now. So that's the connecting rod, which you can see better on that engine. This is D engine. So as again, so you've got mechanical lubricator there that puts oil into the top of the cylinders. So you can see governor there, and also a governor there, and bar and engine down there, which puts it into the correct starting position. So you can see each engine's a direct copy of the other. You can see the what's parallel motion there. So this side has metallic packings, whereas that side has normal packings on the top of the piston rods. So let's go down to the next floor. So there's the governor. That controls the speed of the engine. Vacuum gauge and steam chest pressure gauge. So here's the valve operating handles. So So again, got weights for each one. Also handles. So these are started manually. So when you start them two down first, then that one and that one at the same time, then back to them, then back to them at the same time. Somebody's doing the same with that. So them two, back to them. And that's how you get the engine started. So it takes 2 people to start each engine. I've been honoured to start that one a couple of times. There you see crank, connecting rod, parallel motion. That's the pump rod. Fire engine, great flywheel, auto valve handle for the condenser and main steam valve, and governor there. So you can see size and difference of the cylinders. So you've got high pressure, low pressure. So first into the high pressure, then goes into the low pressure. So let's go downstairs. So got 2 air vessels there which dampened the pumping, and up there you have the valve rockers, bottom of the valve rods, that side and that side. here is C&D air compressor engine. So this would pump air into that. So connecting rod, crank, flywheel, crosshead slides, piston rod, piston. This is a slide valve which is in there, which allows steam in through the ports. And this end, you got the compressor.
They're 6 foot.
Right, so improved quite a bit then, can't
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
So that's the throttle valve connected to the governor.
Right,
That one next to it is the main stop valve.
yeah. I see what you mean, so the shaft runs across and then up.
Yeah. So it's coming down from the governor. Yep.
Cheers.
So here we are at the other end of the engine. So main pump valve is there, and the main sewage line going across. Crank, connecting rod, 2 more air vessels. Boiler feed pump there, and same on the other side. See some pressure relief valves down there. Let's see. There. And through there, and they connect the air pumps, which I'll insert some footage of now. Move the steps back upstairs. Cheers.
I'm not, I don't think it's a lot of right going.
So I presume the sewer mains are actually isolated now, are they?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, the culverts are full of groundwater which we're using the condensers.
Yeah.
And then you can feel it's getting quite warm.
Absolutely.